Hey, are you someone that creates kids-friendly content? Then watch this video for you to be able to upload or maybe get your content or videos onto kids YouTube app or the YouTube Kids site, right? So but there's a few precautions that you need to take in terms of how careful you should be when creating child friendly content, right? So there's a few things that you need to know before you do that. So from YouTube, this is coming from the YouTube Creator Academy. It says for a channel or video to be included in the YouTube Kids app, the content must be family friendly. For videos to be eligible to be a part of the app, create videos that foster positive interest, promote development and education, and inspire families to engage with each other and the real world. Here are a few more tips. So these are the key points that you need to, look out for when you are trying to, get your video to go on YouTube Kids. Focus on age-appropriate content. Consider child safety. Be a good role model. Be original. Keep trends family friendly. Right, so these are the precautions that you need to take before you actually are able to be accepted to go on to YouTube Kids. All right, so this video will show you how you can actually go onto YouTube Kids, but then it's not 100% guarantee that you're gonna get onto YouTube Kids by this technique, but you can try it anyway. So let's go ahead and we'll see how. Right, okay, so you may have seen a couple of videos on YouTube that shows how to do this, but because now it's 2020 and they have actually changed some of the settings, that's why I thought I should actually make this video for you guys. So you go onto your account and then you go onto where it says YouTube Studio, and then what you want to go onto is this icon here, which is help. Then go on to where it says browse all articles. Now in here you're gonna want to go on to create and grow your channel, then edit videos and video settings, and from here you can go on to the YouTube Kids options, which you should be able to find in here, your content on YouTube Kids. Right, so once you're here, you just read what it says in here and then you press on yes. I'm not gonna press on that because my YouTube channel is obviously not made for kids, as you guys know, but this is how you actually do it, and hope for it to go on to YouTube Kids. But one thing that you need to bear in mind, that this will not automatically put it there. This doesn't mean that your content will go onto YouTube Kids automatically. Obviously it will be reviewed by YouTube, and then it will be decided, and then maybe come back in like 3-4 days time, or go to YouTube Kids and see if your content is there. So that's how you can actually see if they're actually allowed you to do so. The reason I say this because there's not much information about how you can actually get your content to YouTube Kids, but this is one of the ways in which you could actually do it. If you don't want to go through all of this, right, so you can go on to Google and write how to add your content to YouTube Kids, and this should bring this page. You just click on there and it should take you straight to this page, which we got into by going to all those options. Right, okay, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it. Do come back and comment in here in the comment section to tell me if this has worked or not, because obviously I'm just going by what I've seen on the internet, and I thought I should make a video, because now the options and all have changed, and because there's the kids regulation that have come up as well. So just a fresh video for you guys. All right, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.